patient, really trying to be mindful of space. I'm squeezing my brake. All these people just keep cutting off left and right. This huge vehicle got pretty good mileage. I drove over 150 miles and I'm almost at half a tank. So I'm just keeping space.
In 1,000 feet, continue straight onto West Kalamazoo Avenue.
So I need to keep straight. That's what it's telling me. So I'm gonna go straight. It's very
Continue straight onto West Kalamazoo Avenue.
okay. It's telling me to go straight. I'm gonna go straight. A little nervous.
Continue on West Kalamazoo Avenue for half a mile.
All right. So one way. Kind of nice little city urban area. I'm watching out for people and cars. And it's taking my time. That was a little stressful at that intersection. You don't know if you're going the correct way. I'm being mindful. They're going way faster than the posted speed limit, not trying to get a ticket. Got a pedestrian there. So I'm just looking, trying to be mindful of my lane positioning and just keeping ahead.
In 1,000 feet, use the right lane to merge onto Douglas Avenue.
So I got to get over to the right 1,000 feet. Okay, this is telling me to take Douglas. So hopefully I'm going the right way.
Use the right lane to merge onto Douglas Avenue, then turn right onto West Main Street.
Oh, okay, so I'm looking. Oh, I went the wrong way, but that's okay.
In 400 feet, turn left onto Forbes Street.
So here's Forbes. So I'm in a bigger vehicle.
Take the next left onto Forbes Street.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get onto Forbes. And this is real life here. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn. Yeah, I'm definitely lost.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Hilbert Street.
So I'm looking, scanning the area. Got pedestrians here. Looking around. Taking my time. So I'm looking for Hilbert Street. It's a great setting, a lot of history over there. Just taking my time and looking around. Because I have a large cargo van, room is really important. So I'm staying in the middle right. I'll get back over. Here's Hilbert Street.
Take the next left onto Hilbert Street,
Okay.
then turn right onto West Main Street.
Okay, so I gotta make a left and then a right. So I'm coming up and you can hear it, and then you'll feel the vehicle roll back. All right, so look, left, right, left, and now I have to go uphill. So. And you can feel the torque of this thing that's accelerating up. Okay. Just kind of looking around. Man.
Take the next right onto West Main Street.
All right. That's an interesting hoop. Man, this thing is just not really comfortable. So I'm going up to the edge. Wow, look at that view. And I'm gonna wait because I have a larger vehicle. I'm not a truck. If I cut it too short, whoa, I'm rolling back. If I cut it too short, I'm gonna hit this telephone pole. If I turn too wide, I'll go in the wrong lane, so I'm gonna inch forward. And I'm just gonna wait because I'm not real familiar with this vehicle. So you see me looking, checking traffic, that's what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna wait and be patient. And it's more thoughtful when you are in a larger vehicle, a larger cargo van. You can't just pull out in front of cars. You don't have the power, you don't have the torque. So I'm just waiting for a big gap. Nope, I'm gonna wait. And this is the hardest thing right now, just sitting here being patient and waiting. But if you wanna crash, you'll pull out. So I'm gonna wait. Temperature's good. Had a half a tank of petrol, so I'm good. 44 degrees. See, it's starting to get a little bit better now. I'm just waiting. See, there's my gap. Okay, I'm gonna roll forward. And now I'm gonna turn, actually kind of making a wide turn, but I'm really a large cargo fan. That's pretty good.